How to curl your hair with a flat iron, 12 steps, with pictures. Curling hair with a straightener can create full-on bouncy curls that won't look like ringlets. Prepping your hair. Start with clean and dry hair. Make sure to start with completely clean and dry hair. Wet hair won't curl at all and damp hair won't curl as well. Even if you have one of those magical wet to dry hair straighteners, it's best if you have dry hair. Dirty hair also won't hold its shape very well, so make sure you've washed it in the past 24 hours. If you are blow drying your hair first, use mousse. The extra volume will keep your hair from looking too flat as you curl it. Use a thin flat iron. Your straightener should be about 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, in width from plate to handle and have rounded edges, otherwise, it won't form smooth curls. A flat, paddle-style iron also won't do curls. It'll be much harder to hold and wrap if you have this kind of straightener and the hair won't want to stay in the right place. Make sure you've got a good quality flat iron. The best work faster, make your hair smoother and do less damage than poor quality irons. They can have a big impact on things like shine and the consistency of curls. If you need to update your flat iron, you can explore high quality options here. Heat the iron up to the minimum temperature you need for your hair. If your hair is fine and thin, stick to the low end of the dial at below 300 degrees. Normal hair can be ironed at 300 to 380. You can turn it up to 350 to 400 if your hair tends to be thick, coarse, or frizzy. If you like big soft flicks, slow down your iron. Part your hair into sections. You'll have better luck curling your hair if you section it instead of trying to attack the whole mess at once. In general, the thicker your hair, the more sections you'll need to do. Tie up the hair above your ears and put it in a bun on the top of your head. It needs to be out of the way. Start at the bottom of your scalp, close to your ears and neck. Leave down as much hair as you can work with for your first layer of curls. A good rule is to work with 1 to 2 inch sections at a time. Pin up the rest. Once that layer is done, you'll unclip your hair and let down another layer. Again, clip up what you can't curl right now. Keep curling in layers,